Welcome to the 21st century. Love it or hate it, but this is the modern world. Most of us are glued to a screen almost 24 hours a day. But how did this even start? The iPhone didn't just spread, it consumed the world faster than fire on dry grass. Within a decade, from teenagers to office workers, everyone had one in their pocket. It wasn't just a piece of tech, it was a map, a torch, a diary, a tool for day-to-day life. But ever since...
Tonight, a new platform emerges that could reshape our daily lives: social media.
Sometimes everything just feels a bit hollow. Everyone around you is on it. On the train, scroll. Crossing the street, scroll. Lying in bed, scroll. And even when we look up once in a while, instead of being present, we record. An altercation in public, film it. At a festival, post it. In a fancy restaurant, capture it. Why? Because everyone else seems to be living a perfect life, and we need to prove that we are too. But despite all the things you see, all the amazing lives everyone seems to be living, deep down everyone seems disjointed. Behind the perfect curtain, there's something missing. And sometimes in the silence between scrolls, you can't help but ask yourself, where am I going wrong? Most people have never sat quietly with themselves for more than 30 minutes. Yet there was a time when silence wasn't feared, when our ancestors wandered uncharted lands for days, alone with nothing but their thoughts. At the end of the day, each of us are always in our own head. So why do we avoid it? Because oftentimes it's uncomfortable. To face the things we're avoiding, the risks we're not taking, why confront yourself when escaping is just one swipe away? One more video, one more snack, one more cheap hit of dopamine. Maybe that's why Tyler Durden's words still ring true.
How great depression is our lives.
I mean, have you ever stopped and asked yourself, what is the point of all this? How is it that in the age of connection, we've never felt more disconnected? So what do? Do you go to China to become a monk and leave everything behind? No, you don't have to throw your phone off a cliff or vanish from the world. You can choose something simpler. Take the red pill. Taking the red pill is about acceptance. It's seeing the world clearly and deciding how you let it shape you. And if you're watching this video near the time that I've uploaded it, we are already a quarter of the way through this century. AI is on the rise, and the future is only going to get better and worse at the same time. So if you're still here, don't just click on the next video. Put the phone down, step away from the noise, take a walk, or if you're brave enough, sit quietly with yourself for 30 minutes. The question to ask yourself isn't what will the future hold, it's what will you do in it.